Carbohydrates are the major source of metabolic energy for most beings on Earth. Their main functions include energy production, energy storage, building macromolecules, sparing protein, and assisting in lipid metabolism. They are divided by three types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides are the simplest carbohydrates and are often called simple sugars. Monosaccharides containing the aldehyde group are classified as aldoses, which are reducing sugars, and those with a ketone group are classified as ketoses, which are non-reducing sugars. Some of the most recognized examples of monosaccharides include glucose, galactose, fructose, ribose, which forms part of a nucleotide of RNA, and deoxyribose, which forms part of the nucleotide of DNA. Some monosaccharides can form disaccharides through a condensation reaction, where the molecules join through the loss of water. For example, you can form sucrose from glucose and fructose, you can form maltose from glucose and glucose, and you can form lactose from glucose and galactose. Through a series of condensation polymerization, several monosaccharide molecules can form together to form polysaccharides, which are large chains of monomers. For example, starch is a polysaccharide, which is found in plants as a way of storing energy. Another polysaccharide found in plants is cellulose, which makes up most of the cell walls. A polysaccharide found in humans is glycogen, which can be found in the liver as a way of carbohydrate energy store. Lipids are a large and diverse group of naturally occurring organic compounds that are related by the solubility in nonpolar organic solvents and their general insolubility in water. Their main roles include being components of cell membranes, energy storage, chemical messengers, and as protection, waterproofing, and insulation and buoyancy agents. The basic unit of lipids is a triglyceride, synthesized from glycerol, which is propane 1,2,3-triol, and fatty acids. Fatty acids are carbon chains with a carboxylic acid group. Some fatty acids are saturated, meaning they have exclusively single bonds, while others are unsaturated, meaning they can have double or triple bonds. Phospholipids are lipids composed of two hydrophobic fatty acid tails and a hydrophilic phosphate head, joined together by a glycerol molecule. Soaps and detergents are colloid metal acyls of fatty acids, which are more soluble in water than the acids themselves, including the amphiphilic character of these substances, which also makes them strong surfactants. The presence of a soap or detergent in water facilitates the wetting of all parts of the object to be cleaned, and removes water-insoluble dirt by incorporation in micelles. The triesters of fatty acids with glycerol compose a class of lipids known as fats and oils. These triglycerides are found in both plants and animals, and compose one of the major food groups of our diet. Triglycerides that are solid or semi-solid at room temperature are classified as fats and occur predominantly in animals. Those triglycerides that are liquid are called oils and originate chiefly in plants, although triglycerides from fish are also largely oils. Fats have predominance of saturated fatty acids, and oils are composed largely of unsaturated acids. Waxes are esters of fatty acids with long-chain monohydric alcohols, which are one hydroxyl group. Waxes are widely distributed in nature, as many plants and animals use them for coating. Esteroids are organic compounds recognized by the tetracyclic skeleton, consisting of 3 fused 6-membered and 1 5-membered ring. They are widely distributed in animals, where they are associated with a number of physiological processes. Some very recognized steroids include cholesterol, estrogen, testosterone, bile salts, and cortisol.